Hello everyone. This video introduces Makerbase new product, MKS SKIPR. MKS SKIPR is an all-in-one board launched by Makerbase for running Klipper. It integrates the SoC running the Klipper host and the MCU responsible for executing specific machine action. It meets the use of most 3D printers. MKS SKIPR provides rich interfaces to meet the needs of most customers. Powerful processor for more stable printing. MCU uses USART1 to connect SoC. The MCU used on the motherboard is STM32F407VET6. Built-in 512 KB flash and 192 KB RAM to meet existing functional requirements. Onboard 1 GB of DDR3 memory to run Klipper firmware more smoothly. MKS SKIPR has 2 USB 2.0 ports and 1 USB 3.0 port. They can be connected to a 3D printer mainboard, USB wireless network card, USB camera, U-disc, USB keyboard and mouse, etc. This is to use a USB camera to monitor the printing process. MKS SKIPR provides a 100 millions Ethernet port. Once connected to the network, you can view the motherboard IP address. MKS SKIPR can also connect wireless network through configuration file. We built the entire Klipper KlipperScreen environment based on Armbian. And Klipper can be used with a little configuration of the printer information. The following is the used demonstration of MKS Pi TS35. MKS SKIPR also supports HDMI screens. Next is a high-definition screen connected through the HDMI interface, with the use of a mouse and keyboard, so that it can be operated like a computer. Support 2 methods to run system. The first way is to use the eMMC 8G module to run the system. By the way, the running speed of the eMMC module is faster than that of the TF card. MKS SKIPR supports 7-axis stepper drivers. Meet the requirements of most 3D printer models. MKS SKIPR reserves more than a dozen POs as extended functions, among which the SPI interface can be used for acceleration modules such as ADXL345. Using the accelerometer can perform Klipper's input shaping function to reduce vibrations that affect printing results. MKS SKIPR has 3 independent DC-DC modules, 12 V3A4 fans probe, 5 V3A4 MCU related blocks, 5 V3A4 SoC related blocks. The Z interface can independently set the voltage selection to adapt to different models of probe. Schottky diode protection for MOS circuits and temperature measurement circuits. Back EMF energy absorption circuit to protect the stepper driver module. MKS SKIPR supports NeoPixel strips. This is the effect of using the NeoPixel light strip.